Right, so you realise, Glenn, I've been following Astrobloke all the way here to Dunwhich. Somebody's nicked the A. Astrobloke. So that should be your new channel, Glenn.
Yeah, someone nicked my eye.
What does Astrobloke do then?
It's like a disco.
Oh, right. Oh, yeah, that's good. No, I like it. So, yeah, somebody's nicked the A. Heck could they? Anyway, right, let's go and get them drones up. Okay, so we are here at Greyfriars Friary at Dunwhich on the Suffolk coast. Just over there is the sea. The plan is to do some imaging here using the old ruined buildings as a backdrop. I'll just spin the camera around so you can see that. Yay, there we go. Right, so that's the old ruined priory, and we thought it'd make a nice backdrop. Has some stars, star trails showing through the windows. If it clears out, we're going to set up over there and hopefully photograph some stars. Anyway, Glenn's just sorting out his drone. I think he's got some data issues, missing the card or something, or the internal storage is full. Right, how's it going, Glenn? Have you found what you're looking for?
Yeah, I'm transferring what's on there, then I need to check the card, then I need to do it again and transfer it, and now I need to wipe the card so I can use it in my camera.
Right.
I'll be alright, I'll get it working.
I have got another card here.
I'll be alright, mate, I'll be alright.
Okay.
I'll be okay.
Excellent.
Just annoying, isn't it?
It is.
Things up.
Still, we all do it.
With this hobby, you need so much stuff.
Oh, tell me about it.
So easy to forget something.
I know.
Or mess up, isn't it?
It really is. What gear have you got here today? Tonight.
So I've got my Chem 26 because I'm going to try out the new SV503 by SV.
That does.
And then I've got my camera, got my laptop.
Yeah.
Got my Sony camera. I've got loads of it.
So much.
Usual stuff. Yeah. Loads of it.
Oh wow. Let's hope we can get to use it. It's going on not too good at the minute, but hopefully that will clear. I'm recording. Let's watch this. Look at that. Frothy milk, eh? Proper coffee. Look at that. Barista coffee.
I was going to do a love art, but it's a nebula. It's a nebula.
Hey mate, that's Tigger there. Oh, this is mine.
That's it.
That, eh? Oh my God.
Barista coffee. Because we can.
All of my tons. This is what astrophotography is all about.
Certainly is.
Yeah, I look forward to seeing that scope later.
Yeah, get
that SV only 500.
Obviously, I need a few stars, otherwise I'm not going to see what it does.
Well, I can't promise you any stars, I'm afraid.
No, I do know that it said about 10 o'clock it should break up.
I was still on the NGC 5033.
Oh,
the Galaxy, what you're doing. That Galaxy is fantastic.
So I've managed to get 31 hours on that now.
That's brilliant.
I'm really happy with it, and I've changed over now to the Heron Galaxy.
Was that one you showed me, that little one?
No, no, that's M100.
M100.
That's a wide field.
That's another nice little one.
CP10.
Yeah.
No, this one is called the Heron Galaxy,
Oh, it's
I
interesting.
think the number, it's something like NGC 5346, something like that.
So look it up.
I saw an image of it on Astrobloke, and it was a lovely image. And it's one of those unusual shaped galaxies with a lick off of it and another one.
Oh,
Bit like Whirlpool.
nice.
Where you've
Yeah.
got two galaxies kind of interacting with each other. Looks amazing, so I'm going to get on that and get some data on that. But
What scope are you using for it?
the Mead
The Mead?
18-inch SCT,
And
yeah.
what sort of size and
3.3 MC camera.
yeah? What size in the frame is it? Is it?
Oh, it's good.
Is it good?
Yeah.
Oh,
Let me
brilliant.
see if I can
Yeah, let's have a look at that.
show you the framing.
Hmm.
So if the signal is here.
Oh.
So that's the framing. You can't really see the image.
Yeah.
But that's the size of the galaxy.
Okay.
And that's the framing.
Oh, so it's,
very similar to
Yeah.
5033.
Fills up quite well there, doesn't it?
Let me just see what it's called again. NGC 5394.
5394.
I'm going to show you what it looks like.
That's one to look up.
You're going to want to do it.
I will. I'm always looking for new targets. 5344. So that's
94.
94. 5394. Okay, that's one to look up then. Go on, let's see it.
It's my target.
Yeah, I know. It's your target. Whoa! Seriously?
Looks nice, doesn't it?
That's fantastic.
And it's a good framing. The SCT
I like
gets
that.
close enough, you see. And let me show you. Something else that you didn't see.
So, hang on, you say that's your
No,
target.
you're not allowed to image it.
Are you going to give me permission to shoot
No,
it?
you're not allowed
Oh,
to.
come on,
No,
come on.
No.
Please.
Yeah, of course you are. Look at this, look. That's now.
Yep.
That's its transit. It's
Wow.
up all night. Look,
All
75 degrees at the top.
That's brilliant.
So it's a height gap comes up.
That's a lovely looking
I've
galaxy.
never seen it before.
No, I've
It's
never
another
seen
one I've never done.
Yeah, but now we've got this bigger scope with over 2,000 mil.
I'm not joking.
It's
Yes, when I bought
brilliant.
the CT, obviously I
Yeah.
broke it to start with. I'll
Yeah.
talk about that later.
Another one?
I put it to the side and I just thought, oh, I'll get to it, and it's sat there for a year, and that's sacrilege, really.
Yep.
Now I've got it working, and I've actually got that image of that galaxy 5033. I'm like, my God, I love it, and the detail.
It is brilliant. That is incredible, that image.
It's really nice because
Yeah.
the initial subs look a bit soft, but the actual detail that comes out of that
that's-
scope is beautiful.
That's what I thought when I looked at mine, but like you said, I think I might have a collimation problem. Do you think?
Yeah, we can look at that though.
Yeah.
Try batting off mask, I found is the best thing.
Yeah.
And then, but the star colours that have come out now I've got to 31 hours. Oh, it's just.
I can't wait to get that far. I've had about 3 hours on it so far, and I'm really looking forward to getting a lot of hours on that.
Once you get it up and running,
Yeah.
I'll be really happy with it. I mean, I love it, and what it's allowing me to do is to go to targets that before have always been a bit of a not a struggle, but you've got to crop in so far to get into them. You think, my scope's not really got the reach,
Yeah.
And one that I've done before that I thought was very small is the Celestial Snow Angel. It's a nibble.
Right.
Beautiful. But
I've heard of it.
tiny.
Yeah. Even with the SCT.
Even with my CT10 it was, but with the SCT I think it'll be...
Oh, and the 533. Yeah.
Yeah, I think you'll be out.
That's a good combination, that 533 with the SCT, because it really brings it in a lot further, doesn't it?
It really does.
Being that crop sensor, that square sensor.
Yeah, it does a fantastic job.
Well, look, I'm gonna have some coffee now. Right, so here we are. This is the monastery, and I've got to try and figure out where north is. We can actually see some stars. That's the moon. A little bit hazy. But yeah, this is it. So we're now going to get set up. Let's see what we can come up with. So I need to get this set Right, so if you can see that on the back of my Sony, so that's the framing I've got. We've got the ruins lit up with our little LED lights. There's some interest in the sky with that cloud. You can see some stars. The cloud has started to come back now, but it's actually making the image look quite nice. So that is, I would say 3,200, and that's 3 seconds. And this is, it's a 2.8 lens, but I've stopped it down to f4. And this is with the Sony A7S. And we're looking at the monastery, and we should get some stars appearing through the windows, because the stars are now coming out. We have a little bit of a clear sky. I don't think you can see up there, but you'll have to believe me, the stars are out. So hopefully we will have a nice star trail. Okay, so we've come to the end of the night. Just gonna stop this camera from going. I just switched it off. That's the easiest way to stop that. Recording, here we go. Now I'm going to put it on and just have a look at the last image. I'm going to try, I don't know if that's going to focus. Here we go. Yeah, go on, press play. Is that going to show? Oh yeah, it's showing. So this is Glenn's time lapse.
You get about halfway through, a nice bunch of stars, and you get some really nice, interesting clouds.
That's looking good, yeah. Nice, looking good, mate.
So you're going to have clouds, get nice.
Yeah. Stars. So, okay, we are packing up for the night. Let's switch off. We've had the best of it, I think. The clouds are coming in. So, yeah, we got cameras everywhere. Again, wherever we go, there's cameras all over the place. But now, what a place. This has been actually quite good, better than I thought. So hopefully we'll have a couple of images. Yeah, definitely going to come back. Right, here's our bags, hid up behind the wall. You better go and find it. It's around here somewhere. There it is. Right. Oh, it's only 20 past 11, that ain't too bad. But yeah, we are packing up because it's got cloudy. So we might as well call it a night. Right, this belongs to you, I believe.
Is that mine?
Your camera. I just found it sitting up there.
I'll leave it up there for a sec. I'm trying. I'm not in. I'm not ready for it.
Okay, we're sitting there for now.
I've got stuff everywhere.
You need a bigger van, Glenn.
Mate, honestly, I haven't got any.
There you go.
I'm thinking like, how the hell have I? Yeah, I've got this great big space. But I'll tell you what I want to do. I want to build something at the back, like a drawer.
Oh yeah, to put your scopes in.
At the back. So I pull it out and it's got the coffee making station.
Oh, the coffee. Oh yeah.
Because then I can then have this space as a...
Yeah, because you got like the table and the gas stove.
Just for, yeah, because by the time you set everything up, you've lost all your space, you know?
Yeah. Ah, good idea. You'll be like Paul.
Yeah.
Nightscape journals.
Cooking steaks.
Cooking steaks and bacon rolls. And...
We went out to Woodbridge, to the cinema. Have you ever been to the cinema in Woodbridge?
No. No, we haven't.
It's really good. It's an old-fashioned picture house.
Oh, nice.
And it's done really well. It's like, well, Keely said it's like going to the cinema back in like when we were kids. I said, what, is everyone smoking? But no, it is really not. It's really old-fashioned, but it's all high-tech, like screen and sound.
Nice.
And we saw the Penguin Lessons. Sounds rubbish, Steve Coogan, but it's a really nice film actually. Really enjoyed it.
I've not heard of that one.
And liked it. We went for dinner at a restaurant called Blue Salt in Woodbridge, and it's a steak place.
Nice.
It was lovely. It's
Sounds
done
good.
really well, and they do really expensive steaks as well. So we just had like normal steaks, but you can have Japanese Wagyu steaks and all that. But they're dear. They're like I bet 40 quid.
40 quid.
Yeah. It weren't a cheap meal.
That's got to be a good steak for that. Oh, do you know what? The moon is actually gone, but look, you look up. It's clear sky again. Well, another night, Glenn. Thank you very much. It's been really good.
My pleasure, mate.
Thoroughly enjoyed it.
Fun.
Thanks for the coffee.
We'll definitely do it again.
Yeah,
now we got the barista.
Oh yeah, that's cool. So it has cleared out a bit now, but it's as you say, it's patchy, and it's gonna keep coming and going. So all good. Well, ever safe journey home, and we'll catch up soon, mate.
Absolutely, mate. Drive safe.
Thanks, mate. Catch you later.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Bye-bye.